So in this problem we have the part 1 of exercise 8, and we have two circles, one inside the other, but the one inside it's a hole and it has a radius of 2. That's why we have this equation here, because we have to subtract the inner hole from the outer one, and it will grow zero point 0.5 in the outer circle, but it will remain the same on the inner one. So we're gonna get the delta y with this equation. Um, So using this equation over here, uh, minus 21 pi equals delta y, which would be 0.25 pi delta y. And that's it.
First, you have to derive the formula, which is 2y times pi times dy. Then you have to add the radius in the y, which is 2 times 5 times pi times dy. The answer is 10 pi times dy, which is 0.5. So the final answer will be 15.70.
Well, now for C, what we will do is that we are going to calculate the approximate change and the exact change using the differential, which is the dy here. Dy equals 5 pi, and the increment in y, which is 5.25 pi. The thickness equals 1.5 millimeters, which equals to 0.15 centimeters. Now what we will do is multiply each of these. So the volume equals times 0.15 centimeters. It would give us 2.47 centimeters cubed, and with the differential it would give us 2.35 centimeters cubed. Well, for D, now what is the importance of the change in the surface area and the volume? Well, we know that the washer has this shape, and a drill will come through the hole to so that the screw can be stuck on it. And what is the importance of the change in all of the surface area? Well, the importance of it is that it will be bigger and it will cover all of the material around it, so it will have more resistance, and the resistance also comes in the change in volume. If it has more volume, it will be more resistant to the drill whereas it can support more weight.
Now we're going to show you how to anti-derivate this problem using expansion. So first we have to multiply this term using FOIL. And when we expand this term using FOIL, we will get 4x to the third plus x minus 4x to the 7 halves. Now that we have expanded this term, we will multiply this term to each of these single terms, and we will get this answer. This will be our answer. Now that we have everything simplified, now we can start antiderivating. So we're going to add 1 to our exponent, and we're going to divide it by the same. So in this case, 11 halves plus 1 equals to 13 halves. So we're going to divide this term by 13 halves, and this term x to the 1 half plus 1 equals 3 halves. So we divide the whole term over 3 halves. Now we just have to simplify this term. Okay, now that we have simplified this term, we just add a c to our answer,